Anyways, as well, today's Saturday. It's actually just about to turn 3 o'clock. I'm gonna be servicing this car. I'm gonna be doing an oil change, engine oil change, and I'm also gonna be doing transmission flush. Yeah, I'm gonna remove some transmission oil and put some fresh one in there. But I'm gonna do the engine oil change first. I just started it because it hadn't been driven since Wednesday for New Year's Day. Started it just so the engine could warm up. This will make the oil feel a lot easier. It should be coming. Why isn't this coming out? Let's get a flat screwdriver will do the job. Yep, there it is. I've been running all day, but I think I should be in good shape to do this. Ahead of the time that it's required to do it. So technically this oil can protect this engine for 15,000 miles, but I don't trust these things. So I do it every 3,000, every 6 months. But yeah, I'm using this filter. This is it. Let me grab my hook. So this how this. I need a rag. Literally squeeze right below here to get to the drain pane. Yeah, it's not the best position to be in, but I think I got it. Oh shoot. Should use a socket instead. Yep, that's it. Need to tap it a little. Yeah, this thing's squeezing my chest. I think I should have jacked up the car. Did I get bigger? No, I haven't capped the oil fill cap on top. So it's probably going to don't come as it's still got half. Tight. So let's get this. This is the foot plug, okay? Cap it. Okay. It's going out. Yeah. And anything that may have oil on it, like when I pull out the old filters, oil will drip on it and so forth. I see on this cardboard, I have to just throw this away. This is a new filter. So right now it's almost done draining, and I said I'm gonna put the, this has a rubber gasket on there. I did change it. Yeah, I did. Import. Yeah, those are pretty inexpensive. This is me learning another car. But the drip is like really slow right now. So this is how it's coming out. It's like dripping. Very, very light. Close it. And come on. Whatever's left in there, we'll stay in there. So I'll put the phone back in the torque wrench in a moment and torque it down. Yeah, I don't remember now, guess what's holding my camera? It's the filter wrench. Hopefully I won't need it. Now before I do anything with the filter, I gotta bring the pan below the filter. Yeah. And here's my rack. There it is.
can't believe I got some oil on my shirt. This never happened. Hands is fine. But yeah, but hey, it's no big deal. And the oil wasn't that hot, so I'm not burnt. Alright. Oh, there we go. Okay. This is where the oil got on my shirt. It's on my skin too. Yeah. But I don't think oil will do anything to me. Maybe I should wipe it down. It's no big deal. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, there's still oil on the shirt. Alright, so new filter, oil, sometimes I get fancy to open this thing. I get a pick tool and open it up, but today I don't feel like being fancy. I just stick my finger in there. One thing that's important, these things right around the cap, it's important to take them all out. You don't want this going into the oil itself. So I'm literally gonna fill this up. And obviously I am going to take some oil, put on the gasket here. And yeah, I nearly filled it up with oil. Alright. So I'm ready to put it in. Yeah, I've used this filter before, so I know it fits, but it's always a good idea to say to just compare the old one with the new one, but I know it fits. That's it. Just gonna wipe this down a little bit. Wipe down here a little bit. I still have to torque that, so I'm gonna grab the torque wrench and look at the torque spec on my phone. 20 pound-foot. Oh, it was already set at that already. So whatever else I torqued before was torqued 20 pound-foot. So this container that's black, but you know, last time I changed this thing was in June. Okay, 20 pound-foot. Okay, good. So my work for underneath the car is done. This is the thing that keeps squeezing me. See? Yeah. I mean, I'm not being... The car's on its own tire and there's no movements, but it's like real tight. But it saves me from having to jack the car up. I know for the transmission, I shouldn't have to because the transmission drain plug is like right here. So it's even closer to the front of the car, so I don't even have to crawl under to actually get it done. But for the years I've been changing oil in this car, I've never jacked up the car. Not there's been other reason that I've jacked up the car, but that oil change. But anyway, so my work underneath the car is done. This is the oil fill plug. Well, yeah, I guess you can call it that. It's not a plug, it's just a cap. I'm gonna get my funnel and I'm just gonna feed an oil plug. Alright. Yeah, I get real paranoid thinking something is just going to fall in the engine. Give the beast some oil. Yep. Feed the beast. Look a little bit. Tell me the inside of that engine looks clean. From what I can see out here. I like seeing a clean engine compartment bay. I don't know. It makes it feel like the car is healthy when things are clean. So whenever I can, I just literally wipe these off. Oh, it brings the shine in the plastic. Wait. And that's literally the end of the oil change job. You know, it's hard to be able to do these things. They ain't giving something to come outside and do anyway. So, you know, I come out here and I do what I need to do, and then I carry on. You know, but yeah, so that's done now. And I'll see you guys when I decide to do the transmission. All right.